Mori Nuse. The music is by a band called Xenos, and this is Albanian. It's an Albanian song, an Albanian dance. The words to the song are kind of about a young girl being asked if she wants to have a necklace and other traditional things, and she says, "Oh no, that's not what I want. I want a guy who smokes cigarettes and has black shiny shoes." So this is a very popular, or was a very popular song among Albanians. The dance, I think, bears some kind of relationship to a dance that Atanas once taught called Shqiptarka, but I'm not sure what the connection is because I never learned that from him. So here it is, Ani Mori.
Ani Mori